Hello guys, welcome to Unreal Engine. Today we will learn how to add a custom map in our Unreal Engine, and we are using game animation sample project. We are using the game animation sample player movement in our own map. This will be a easy and quick tutorial for beginner. So watch the video carefully and like, share, subscribe. So first of all, we are open our level animation game animation sample project, and here you can learn our previous video how to add our own character here. If you miss it, please watch it in my channel. You can see our character is here, but we don't have any map for our own. So today we will learn how to add a map here by using the character movement and locomotion of game animation sample. So okay, first of all we need to go to the fab. Here we need to download sub level and landscape in free. You can download this MW landscape auto material. It is totally free, and add it to your project. I'm already add it to my game animation sample project, so you just add it. Okay, so when you add this, you will be folder in your control browser called MW landscape auto material. Okay, and there also we have some mesh blueprints. We just need the map. Okay, we are using our thumbnail that landscape auto material desert. You also get a Iceland map and a rainforest map, mountain rain map. Okay, we are using the desert example map, so just double click it. Now you can see this is our map here. Okay, first time you can see if we play hit button here, nothing will appear, no player is here, just a default camera player is moving here. So we need to add our character here. So in the game mode overdrive, you can see there is nothing here. We just add it. Our game animation sample game mode is called GM sandbox. We just add it here and just save. It's take time, I don't know why. Okay, save, and now we are add a player start. We are start from here. Okay, okay, now it's okay. Now just hit play. Now you can see our player is already here. It is too easy to add a map in your game, and you can see our player is running and the movement is a professional. Okay, you can see all the animation montages use good. Okay, so now one thing you need to do, this is our map. We need to set this map default in our project. So how can we do it? We just go to the file, edit, project settings, and there also a input, not input, there was also have a map option, just search map. Yes, editor startup map. We see this is default map. We just change it to our landscape desert example. Just select it, cross it, and just save it. This take time. Save the game. Now cross the project. and reopen the project again. Okay, so we reopen our game animation sample project again. Okay, so after open the game animation sample, now you can see this is our default map. Okay, and now we can customize here our player movement and actions, add asset, add building, and add some blueprints, and you can make your own game by your own customizations. Now here also I think we need to see, is our motion, locomotion, or animation movements work here or not. For this I need some asset. I'm download uh, the African state query, so it is totally free. Just download and add to your game animation project again. After adding this, you can see there also a scene query still, and here we have asset, ms, 3D, and we need some rock. Okay, so there is also some small rock, large rock. You can use your own. Okay, so I'm using the large rock here. Okay, this is a large rock. mm, Control D, copy it. Okay, I just make my own customization here, nothing else. Noise look good, and here you can see when we go there, animation doesn't work. We press space, animation like game animation sample doesn't work. So we just go to the content browser, and here we have some label folder and label prototype. We are using this prototype because without it we can't use the animation here. So we just make it big, like 2 meter. Okay, make it 2 meter. and make this to hidden in the game. Okay, be hidden in game. And also we need to do something for this rocks. We need to change it collision. We just apply collision. Now our player can use this rock. Okay, save it. Okay, now let's see if it's work or not. Just hit play and see if we press space, it work, and it's totally work and look good. You can make game like Prince of Persia or Assassin's Creed for your own desire. Thank you for watching the full video. I'm just detailing the video for the beginner. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you learn something from me, please comment on the video. Thank you very much.